Hello everyone guys, today I'll guide you how to correctly convert GGives to GCash. Now GGives is basically, a flexible installment feature that is offered by GCash, and understanding how to actually use it effectively can help you manage your payments very easily. So let's break it down step by step. So first things first guys, what you want to do is you want to open up your GCash app. So you want to start by launching the GCash app on your phone, and you want to actually ensure that you are logged in and it has, GGives has the feature enabled. And what you want to do, guys, is you want to go to the GGive section. So on the main dashboard, you want to look for the GGives option under borrow or within the pay later section. You want to tap on that to access your GGives account. Okay. Then what you want to do is if you have any outstanding balances, so you want to settle the balance. So to convert a GGives to usable GCash, you first need to fully settle any outstanding balance on your GGives account. So you want to tap on Pay Now and choose the amount, okay, and complete the payment using your GCash balance or linked bank account. And then, guys, what you want to do is basically utilize GCash for transactions. So once GGives balance is cleared, the funds will not convert directly into cash into your wallet. So, however, what's going to happen is your payment capacity will be restored, which will enable you to use GCash or GGives for new transactions. And if you need any assistance, guys, you can also, if you face any challenges or have further questions, you can also contact GGives and GCash support via the help center in the app for clarification. That's it, guys. I want to just clarify that while GGives it doesn't convert directly to GCash for withdrawal, if you understand the process, this can help you ensure that you can maximize your GCash account features. Anyways, guys, make sure you hit that like button if this video helped you out. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to Appier Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.